If you want to find lock screen widgets on Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to lock your phone and go to the lock screen. Now over here on the lock screen, you can swipe from the right side to the left side, just like that, in order to go to widgets. So here we have the widget page, which we can easily customize as well. Usually you just have to press and hold your finger on anything in here to start customizing this widget section, these tiles over here. Now, by default, you might not have access to these lock screen widgets. So in order to make sure that you have access to them, to make sure that you can add lock screen widgets and you can manage them, you need to go to settings on your phone. Let me actually start from the beginning. There we go. So once you open the settings, you want to find wallpaper and style. Make sure that lock screen option is selected in here and scroll up from the bottom to find more lock screen settings. And then here we have widgets on lock screen, which we need to enable. Leave a like and subscribe.